Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of Readers Have Big Jobs. Let's take a minute to celebrate all the good reading habits that we have learned across this unit. It feels like just yesterday when we sat on the rug for the first time and we talked about the kinds of things we do automatically without any reminders, like turning off the light at night, picking up your toys, or brushing your teeth. Today, I want to teach you how to set reading goals. Let's think about all the things we have learned in this unit. We learned how to be the boss of our reading, how to use tools for solving and checking hard words, and tools for understanding our books. Now, let's think about the things that you do automatically. You might say, I always stop at the sign of trouble, or I check it and do a double check or a triple check. I think what kind of word would fit. I do a good job of doing a slow check. I crash the parts together. I keep track of who's talking. Or I make a movie to picture what's happening. Now, let's think about the things that you do not do automatically. You might say, I don't try something. And therefore, when it's tricky, I don't try something else to get the job done. I don't try it many ways. I don't use the words that I already know. I don't check to see that I'm getting it. And I don't say the word the best that I can and think about what it means. Now, take those things that you do not do automatically and turn them into your new goals. Write down your new goals and post them in a place where you will see them whenever you read. Now try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember, don't forget the good reading habits that you already have while you work toward your new goal. After you finish setting your goals, take a picture of them and send it to your teacher. All right, readers, off you go.